quickly going into the question, like gathering certain timely and relevant information from different stakeholders is now becoming a biggest challenge. So, what is your tips to gather information from all the stakeholders?
A very relevant question, Devryan. Thank you so much for taking up this question. This is the need of an hour. Sharing information, gathering information is a really tough thing to handle, especially when you are handling team with different attitudes and different thought process. It's definitely a challenge now. So I think one of the tip which I follow is trying to gather information when it is required, or when we are trying to operate with in a time bound situation. No, it always becomes a challenge. So I think the best way to handle this is to build trust. We have to invest in building trust to gather the information what we want, and that information should be available with us within a period of time, and it should not be very close to the it should not be a time bound process. So how do we build trust? It should be something where we are building trust during the process or when we need the information. That should not be the case. It should be a case where we build the trust when we or they are not actually wanted, or there is no value addition. The trust that is built during that process will stand when there is a need or when we really need some information. So I would call that building trust is the most important thing somebody has to do. And to understand like what could be the reason why someone is not sharing the information, I think the root is a fear, the fear that the other party is going to exploit, or the other party is going to place themselves in a situation, a better situation or a better position than what we are in. So the moment we are able to eliminate the fear from the stakeholder, then I think the gathering information is very, very easy. And that is why I said we should build trust. We should share some common ideas, be very friendly if at relevant situations. So I think that trust will definitely help someone in getting the information on time. So that is something which I would recommend. And also I would generally what I practice is a leader should involve in the process, not when it is required. He should make himself available in the entire process where he has an opportunity to review or ask questions, so that the information flows to him over a period of time and it is not somewhere he needs it. So that is another question. And when I meant ask question, it is not only what, it is also why. We should make the stakeholder understand why do we need that information, and how is that information going to help me and my stakeholder to win. So it should be a win-win situation. I should show the value of the information, what my stakeholder is sharing it with me, or my team member is sharing it with me, and how it is going to benefit him. The moment I'm able to build trust and able to project the benefit or the value my partner is going to get, then I think gathering information may be easier. I think that is what I wanted to state.